How to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat. So first is you have to go to your Snapchat application and it will lead you here directly to your camera. As you can see here. And then on the upper left, you will see your Bitmoji there. You just have to tap on that and it will lead you here basically to your profile kind of section. And here is your Bitmoji here. Now here. So let's just go back here. Now, if you want to remove your Bitmoji, so on the upper right, you will see the settings icon there. Just have to tap on that and go to Bitmoji here. You can see Bitmoji here under Snapchat, then plus icon there. Just tap on that and you will see your Bitmoji. Now, if you're planning to remove your Bitmoji, just tap on remove my Bitmoji and it will ask to confirm that you want to remove your Bitmoji. So if you created your avatar on Snapchat, you will permanently lose your avatar and all your fashion items saved in your closet. To click on remove if you want to remove that one. And as you can see, you do not have an avatar anymore. Let's go back here to check it. And as you can see, you cannot see your Bitmoji, so you have successfully removed your Bitmoji from Snapchat. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.